how to merge two Canva projects. So here what we want to do first is create a new project or open up the one that we want to merge with another. So I'll just search for a booklet here and I will do this one as an example. So I'll just choose edit and we have the first project loaded up. Now if we want to merge it with another, we will choose projects here at from the left hand side. And then you will see this option called designs. So once we click on it, you will see all of your designs or other projects which you have created previously. Now if I go here and I want to merge it with another, what I'm going to do is just left click on it and we will select actually add as a new page, and depending on the type of project you have here, you will have successfully merged the two projects in Canva. And like I said, if you're doing an image here, you can just add it and you can add the different parts of the project to your previous one. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.